Welcome to EStory, where we share captivating tales filled with wisdom, adventure, and inspiration. Today's story takes us to a quaint village where a girl named Maisha, who was considered a curse by her own family and village due to her unusual height and thinness, transforms her life and becomes a beacon of hope and pride. Join us on this incredible journey of resilience, courage, and unexpected blessings.
In a small village surrounded by lush fields and vibrant forests, lived a girl named Maisha. From a young age, Maisha stood out due to her towering height and slender frame. The villagers whispered about her, calling her abnormal and treating her with disdain. Her unique appearance made her a target for mockery, and she became known as the girl who brought bad luck. Despite the constant ridicule, Maisha found solace in the support of her 5 younger sisters. Initially, they stood by her side, defending her from the villagers' harsh words. However, as they grew older, their loyalty wavered. In their culture, it was believed that younger sisters could not marry before the eldest. Maisha's isolation and the villagers' perception of her as a curse meant that no suitors came forward for her, thereby preventing her sisters from marrying as well.
As they approached their 30s, Maisha's sisters grew increasingly resentful. They blamed her for their unmarried status and the stigma that surrounded them. Their love turned to hatred, and they began to torment her in numerous ways. They would ridicule her, sabotage her belongings, and isolate her further within the family home. One day, Maisha's sisters took their cruelty to new heights. They destroyed her favorite garden, the one place where she found peace. They ripped out the flowers she had painstakingly nurtured and poured salt into the soil, ensuring nothing would grow there again. This act of malice left Maisha devastated, but it also fueled her determination to rise above their cruelty. Maisha retreated into herself, spending most of her time cleaning the house, cooking meals, reading books, and trying to revive her beloved garden. She became incredibly skilled at these tasks, turning the household into a well-organized haven. Her intelligence and resourcefulness shone through, even in her darkest moments.
One sunny afternoon, while Maisha was working in the garden, an elderly man approached her. He introduced himself as Kido, a traveler who had heard of a beauty contest to be held in front of the king. Kido saw potential in Maisha: her height, her grace in gardening, her culinary skills, and her intelligence. He encouraged her to enter the contest, believing she had a good chance of winning. Maisha was hesitant at first, but Kido's words resonated with her. She decided to take a leap of faith and enter the competition. The contest had 3 stages: a demonstration of gardening skills, a cooking challenge, and an intelligence test. The first stage required contestants to create a beautiful garden within a limited time. Maisha drew on her extensive experience and knowledge, designing a breathtaking garden filled with vibrant flowers, aromatic herbs, and intricate designs. The judges were amazed by her creativity and the meticulous care she put into every detail. Maisha won the first stage effortlessly, impressing the audience and the judges alike.
In the second stage, contestants were tasked with preparing a meal fit for the king. Maisha used her years of cooking for her family to her advantage. She prepared a sumptuous feast, showcasing a variety of flavors and techniques. Her dishes were not only delicious but also beautifully presented. The judges were particularly impressed with her signature dish, a blend of traditional recipes with a modern twist. Maisha's culinary skills earned her the top spot in the cooking challenge.
The final stage was an intelligence test, designed to assess the contestants' knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and wisdom. Maisha had always been an avid reader, and her vast knowledge on a wide range of topics gave her an edge. She answered questions with confidence and provided insightful solutions to complex problems. The judges were astounded by her intellect and quick thinking. Maisha emerged as the clear winner of the intelligence test.
Having triumphed in all 3 stages, Maisha was declared the winner of the beauty contest. Her victory brought immense joy and relief. She was presented before the king, who was deeply impressed by her grace, skills, and wisdom. The king saw in her a partner who could stand by his side and help him rule with compassion and intelligence. He proposed to Maisha, and she accepted, becoming the queen.
Maisha's transformation from an outcast to a queen was a powerful testament to her resilience and inner strength. Her sisters, who had once tormented her, were filled with remorse and shame. they realized the error of their ways and sought her forgiveness. Maisha, in her newfound grace, forgave them and vowed to bring harmony to her family. With Maisha as the queen, her family's fortunes changed. Her sisters found respected suitors and were soon married. The village, once filled with mockery and disdain, now revered Maisha and her family. The story of Maisha's triumph spread far and wide, inspiring others to look beyond appearances and embrace the unique qualities that each person possesses.
Dear EStory viewers, we hope you found Maisha's journey as inspiring as we did. This story reminds us that true beauty lies within, and that resilience and perseverance can overcome even the harshest of circumstances. Maisha's story teaches us the importance of forgiveness, the value of inner strength, and the power of believing in oneself. Here are 5 morals of the story.
Moral 1. Inner beauty and strength. True beauty and strength come from within, not from outward appearances. Maisha's inner qualities shone through, ultimately leading to her success and acceptance.
Moral 2. Resilience and perseverance. Despite facing cruelty and rejection, Maisha remained resilient and persevered in her endeavors, which ultimately led to her triumph.
Moral 3. Forgiveness and harmony. Maisha's ability to forgive her sisters and bring harmony to her family highlights the importance of forgiveness and unity.
Moral 4. Believing in oneself. Maisha's belief in her abilities and her decision to enter the beauty contest changed her life, demonstrating the power of self-belief.
Moral 5. Embracing unique qualities. The story encourages us to embrace our unique qualities and the qualities of others, understanding that everyone has something valuable to offer.
Thank you for joining us on EStory. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and your unique journey.